Welcome to Coteria Solutions YouTube channel, where work is made simple. We help teams simplify, automate, and amplify their work.
Want to save time, reduce repetitive tasks, and make ClickUp do the boring stuff for you? Today, I'm going to show you how to use ClickUp Automations to work smarter, not harder. Whether you're a freelancer, a team lead, or just tired of copy-pasting tasks, this is for you. ClickUp Automations are rules that you set up to trigger certain actions. Think of it like saying, if this happens, then do that automatically. It removes manual steps and saves you real time. To set up an automation, go to any list or space, then click on this little automations icon. You'll see a menu of pre-built options and the ability to create custom rules. Here are some of the most helpful automations you can use right now. 1. Status-based automation. Example. When status changes to completed, move task to archive list. 2. Due date trigger. Example. When due date arrives, change status to in progress. 3. Task creation trigger. Example. When a task is created, assign it to yourself automatically. 4. Priority-based action. Example. When priority is high, add tag, urgent, and notify project manager. 5. Comment or custom field triggers. Example. When a custom field is ready to review, notify the client of lead. Let's create one from scratch. Click Add Automation, choose your trigger, like when status changes to review, and then your action, like assigning it to your editor or team lead. You can stack multiple actions into one rule, too. Use automations for any repeatable task, content workflows, client handoffs, onboarding steps, approval chains, you name it. ClickUp Automations help you focus on deep work, not busy work. Try one today and you'll wonder how you ever worked without it. Click on the link in the description to get started. Hit like if this helped, subscribe for more productivity tips, and let me know in the comments, what's your go-to automation in ClickUp?
Thanks for watching. Ready to take the next step? Visit us at coteriasolutions.com and let's unlock your business potential. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your team.